Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Mathematics by Fun Art. Today let us see question number 14 of exercise 9.1, some applications of trigonometry. The question is, a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal direction at a height of 82.2 meters from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degrees. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Let us draw a diagram more clearly. Let us draw AB, the girl, and her height is 1.2 meters. They are told that the balloon is flying at a height of 88.2 meters from the ground level, and it is spotted at 2 points, that is C and D. From the ground level it is 88.2 meters. From the horizontal level, that is eye level, it makes an angle of 60 degree initially, and then when the balloon moves forward it makes an angle of 30 degrees. Let the line joining the ground horizontal level and the first point of the balloon be E, and the second point joining be F. So by this, we have to find the distance traveled by the balloon. We have to find EF. Can also be written as GH at the ground level. They have asked to find this level. Let that be X. So let us take triangle ADF. In triangle ADF, tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent side, that is DF divided by AF. We know DH as 88.2 meters. Similarly, AB is 1.2 meters. So AB is equal to FH. Calculating DF, which is DH minus FH, that is 88.2 minus 1.2, which gives us 87 meters. Substituting in tan 30 is equal to DF, that is 87 meters, divided by AF. AF can also be written as AE plus X. Okay, 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 divided by AE plus X. Let this be equation 1. Now consider triangle AEC. Tan 60 is equal to CE divided by AE. CE is same as DF, that is 87. So substituting values, root 3 is equal to 87 divided by AE, which gives us AE is equal to 87 by root 3. Rationalizing, multiplying and dividing by root 3, we get 87 root 3 divided by 3, that is 29 root 3 meters. Substituting AE in equation 1, we get 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 divided by AE plus X, gives us 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 divided by 29 root 3 plus X. Cross multiplying, we get 29 root 3 plus X is equal to 87 root 3. which in turn gives us x is equal to 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3, which gives us 8x as 58 root 3 meters. Therefore, the distance traveled by the balloon is 58 root 3 meters. Thank you. Happy learning.